Hello everyone, welcome back to IPEC by Sounish. Today I have again come up with a wonderful problem from current electricity. So as you can see the thumbnail of the video, the title of the problem is the swastik problem. And all of you know that swastik is a religious symbol in India, and I have used that symbol to make an infinite circuit. So let's see the problem. So there is an infinite wire grid with cells or units in the form of swastik symbol. As you can see, this is an infinite grid of circuit, and each unit is in the form of the swastik symbol, and the resistance of each arm of the swastik symbol is capital R. So this is an arm, this is an arm, and each arm has resistance of capital R. So now we have to find the net resistance of the whole grid between the points A and B. So we have to find the effective resistance between these two points A and B. So this is the problem statement. So try this problem on your own, write the answer in the comment box. I will upload its solution soon. So if you like the problem, then make sure that you subscribe to this channel, because I regularly upload problems like this. And don't forget to like the video and share it with your friends who are interested in physics problems. So take care, see you in the next video.